One trip to the Alvord Desert. Let's go.
Hello!
What's up? You excited, Nikki? Yeah.
He's super pumped.
And here's our third. And then hopefully we'll have a Comanche joining us in a little bit. Squadron. Heading out.
Traffic Sky 170 till Lulu's taking off runway 34 left close traffic. Nazi Freak, you mind if I rejoin on you for a sec?
Yeah, how about it? I'll be at 90 knots.
Stitch, you just want to rejoin on him and I'll just stay here?
If you want to go to his left wing, I'll go to his right wing.
Copy. It sounds good. Nazi, your landing gear's down.
Thanks.
Your boys ever seen this before?
Nope, first time.
Right on.
We're not seeing it for the first time. I'm pretty surprised they're flipping me off. I guess they've seen Top Gun.
Stitch, your CHD is good?
Yeah, they're pretty good, though I'm pretty much behind the power curve over here. I think you got the rocket ship over there, Freak.
Just light. Freak request lead on the left.
He's got the lead on left. We're just flying formation off of mixture.
I know, weird.
Are you guys going around the left side?
We were pointing at the north side. Yeah, if you want to sneak around like in that saddle to the south side, I think that should work good.
That's the plan. So we'll be beak to beak. You guys will be on the ground, so you'll see me coming around the south side.
You got the lead on the left if you're ready.
Got the lead on the left.
All right, starting our descent to the Alvord Desert. We're taking an indirect route. Nazi in the 206 is going to go direct because it's timing. We've got the time to just do some sightseeing up here to the north, clear the terrain where it's a little lower on the north edge of this Dean's Mountains.
Yeah, it's just taking off, so it's probably going to land right before sunset. Cool. I'm going to give it a college try, Freak, if you want to come in after me.
2.
I'm lowering my gear. I'll extend base to final if you want to deconflict off my right side.
Freak's about a mile in trail established.
Copy that. 6 November hotels on final. Super smooth, guys.
Nice shot.
I think I can see what you guys landed on. I can see you guys. Yeah, it's really smooth and super hard, so. Where you at, Nazi? Touchdown.
You guys go nuts.
Bikes? Oh, what? That's what happens when you have a stationaire. Oh, don't break any hips there, Mark Patey. Look how dusty he is.
Yeah. Bend over and I'll show you.
Ew. Made it to the Alvord Desert. That was super fun. The texture varies, but you fly over it and what you see is what you get. So there's plenty of opportunities to land wherever. The prevailing wind today is kind of out of the southeast, but we're gonna get set up and maybe head up to those hot springs. Okay, we're getting the tent set up and it's golden hour. We're still waiting on one aircraft, Comanche Chaos, is flying in from Tacoma. So he just got his annual and worked out some kinks. So hopefully we can get him landing before dinner. But we're gonna grill up some steaks, maybe head to the hot springs and enjoy this amazing landscape. Look at this.
Yeah. Was it moving or was it staying still?
I guess I should introduce everybody. This is Stitch. Say hi, Stitch.
Hey, Stitch.
This is Nazi.
Nazi.
He's the one with the 206 and then the 836. And of course, I got the S35. And then Chaos. We're all F-15 guys, but Chaos is a F-16 guy, and he's flying in from Tacoma in a Comanche. That's right. It's almost a full moon tonight, so it should be an epic evening on Alvord Desert. Look at this. Stitch, was it something we said? All right, Nazi is like FaceTiming, so there is cell phone coverage. So let's talk some particulars on that topic. All three of us have T-Mobile, so there's good coverage here. Temperature-wise, it's 6th of October. It hasn't rained in a while, so that's good. We'll get some close-ups of the soil, but it's super hard, and
hard but soft at the same time, right? And so it's just like a top layer that just gets everything really, really dusty. So a broom or something like that would be good. It was 82 today. I'm glad we didn't get here too early because it would have been too hot. But it's going to cool down to the upper 30s, low 40s tonight. The wind is calm, amazing. So this is a rain shadow, right? But I think it's also pretty much like a wind shadow as well. If you get some easterly or southerly winds, then it could probably kick up some good dust. But the temperatures are pretty good. There's not obviously a lot of provisions. I believe there is kind of a small general store. Gentleman's name is Paul, who kind of runs the general store and hot springs. He's going to charge us something to use the hot springs. So there's that. Other than that, there's not a lot of people out here. We're just waiting on chaos to come in. Kids are just having a ball. Can you imagine being a kid and being out here and playing? This looks just so much fun.
Find your center, Fraser.
Namaste.
All right. Go make sure Lure of the Flies isn't happening over there.
Called ball.
Roger that.
What am I building, Stitch?
Bend over and I'll show you.
Oh, call it Kid Fox.
Kid Fox,
Yeah.
a Rand's super awesome plane.
Yeah, super awesome plane.
Yeah.
Hey, this is Chaos. Welcome.
Thank you.
So the band is back together. We're walking to way up yonder for hot spring adventure. Yeah, let's do it.
All the little airports around.
I'm Googling it right now.
You know it's free. Just take it. Take it and pop it as quickly as you can. Ooh, really? Looks pretty good. $54. Oh, thanks, Paul. Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. If you don't want to ruin your night vision. It looks dark, but it is really nice out. Initial pool was cold, but the second pool was hotter, but there was just a naked couple in there, so we should kind of patiently waited. 2 thumbs up. This was fun. All right, let's go have some steaks. Oh.
Almost like a steak.
But I didn't.
Actually, I think it's getting close to being out of battery. It must be cold. You should stick it on the fire.
Well, good morning. Nice night of sleep. Nice and chilly night. Had some coyotes visit the camp. Didn't do any damage. I'm surprised they didn't bust into the steak remains in the trash bag, but we heard them. Not a big factor. Stitch got up after the moon set and said the stars were just ridiculous. So wish I thought about doing that, but always time for next time. So the plan for today is to fly to somewhere, it's like a gas station or something down the road, and get some milkshakes. So let's get this day started. How'd you sleep? You excited for milkshakes? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think there was milkshake flavored milkshakes.
Milkshake flavored milkshakes. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard.
Chaos, you want to go to second or third? Doesn't matter. Do you have a preference? Yeah, I'm aligned. Might as well just go second.
See the 2-ship on TCAS. I'm going to level here off at, let's call it 5,500. I think that's plenty. And I'll fly 130 knots.
Let's go get some milkshakes. What kind of milkshake you guys gonna get? Oh, really? Well, thank you so much. You're welcome. That looks great. Ross. It was fun, man. Fly safe. This is where we head different directions.
Nice.
Stitch, thanks for putting everything together.
You're pretty good? All good. All in the air. Everybody looks great. Awesome. See ya, fellas. I'm turning left.
All right, safe flight, Freak. Won't see ya. Shoot text when you land.
Looks like they're up at 10-5 as well. See if we can spot Nazi. There is Nazi. Well, what a fun trip. We've all said our goodbyes. We're all heading off in very slightly different directions to the Pacific Northwest, but it is time for me to get home and get back to my Rands build. Thanks to Stitch for setting this up and for the other guys to let me put this on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, you're cleared direct.